What is up, guys? Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to say the full name of the highest level in the classification system for Italian wines, the Italian wine hierarchy of wines, a level that includes the most famous and the top names in Italian wines, such as the wines from Barolo, Barbaresco, Chianti, Classico, Montefalco, Sagrantino, and many, many more. We are looking at how to say DOCG wines, Denominazione di Origine Controlatta e Garantita. Denominazione di Origine Controllata e Garantita. DOCG wines. Denominazione di Origine Controllata e Garantita. So guaranteed and controlled indication of origin in Italian. If you want to learn more about Italian wines, here are videos that you should watch next. Have a look around if you like learning about your vino. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir, arrivederci, ciao ciao.